Well, I'm joined here with Miss Charlene Patton because April is soy food month, and so she has some great spring recipes. We also have an extra special guest, Roger, who's a local soybean farmer from just down the road near Galena, Kansas.
Hey Roger,
Hey,
we're glad that you're
Thank
here
you.
because this comes full circle. We've talked about that we have about 12,000 soybean farmers here in Kansas.
Yes.
And it's wonderful. You farm right here close to the station.
Yes, we do.
And so you're going to tell us a little bit about the vegetable oil that we're using.
Yes, most vegetable is soybean oil, and it's been proven that oil is a heart-healthy additive to your diet. It's also had positive effects, on chronic disease and also inflammation, so it's real good for your health.
And if they go to our website, they'll get more information on heart health and using soy foods. But look what the only ingredient in soybean oil is soybeans. So unless it says some other kind of oil, and you can see I've used a lot of that, but that's probably in everybody's pantry. So to get started here, we're making these wonderful lemon berry muffins that use blueberries and raspberries. And Roger, I'm putting him to work. He is going to mix our liquid ingredients. We have an egg in here already. He's going to add 1 cup of soy milk. You can use either vanilla or plain, whichever you want. And then our vegetable oil, which we know is from soybeans, the only ingredient. And then Roger, you have lemon juice, some lemon zest here, and some vanilla. So we'll let you mix that. And then the dry ingredients, Samantha, we have granulated sugar, and then this is all-purpose flour. And then you can see this is a different color. That is our soy flour. So we're going to use that and mix it. And then I've got the leavening here, which is 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and then our salt there. We'll mix that together. And then I like to add our berries now. So I'll let you add, look how beautiful that is.
Oh, perfect spring berries.
Yes, we'll add those. And I like to add it now because it just adds an opportunity to kind of cover it and coat them. And we'll want to be careful mixing these. And then Roger, you go ahead and add the liquid ingredients. And this is a great recipe to get kids in the kitchen because with muffins, we're not using any electric appliances. We're just using the bowl, a spoon, and a whisk. And we will just mix this now until we don't see any dry ingredients. But you can see rather than just stirring, I'm just kind of folding it because I'm going to try and keep those berries nice and firm. So we'll do that, and then it makes actually about 18 muffins. So you can either grease your muffin tin or use paper liners. And I love to use the dipper that really helps portion them out in there. Then this recipe has a crumble topping to put on the muffins right before they go in the oven. They'll bake at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Use a wooden pick to make sure that they're done. Take them out and you have wonderful muffins that you can add to a meal or they make a great snack.
Perfect. And I know if people at home want to be able to try this recipe, you guys make it super easy to do that. It's available on your website, and there's also a phone number they can call.
That's right. They should call 877-KS-Soybean and ask for all the March recipes, or go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. And as Roger said, you'll find a lot of nutrition information there and reasons of why you need to add soy to your diet and get those 25 grams every day.
Well, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, Charlene and Roger, for joining us this morning. These muffins look beautiful. I know we're going to enjoy these off screen.
That's right.
Well, thank you so much, and we'll be right back after this.